Apache Spark, PySpark, installation, dependencies, softwares. First one, Java JDK version 17. Second one, Python programming language. Third one, Apache Spark. Fourth one, Win utilities and Hadoop 3. Step by step, download, installation, setup process, explain. Browser open, Google search box lo Apache Spark download, enter key press. Downloads Apache Spark, first link click. Apache Spark redirectory official web page complete display. Download Apache Spark section lo 4 options display. First one, choose a Spark release latest version 4.0.0, release date May 23 year 2025. Second one, choose a package type, latest pre-built for Apache Hadoop inbuilt latest version 3.4 and later. Previous versions, right side down arrow click, display previous versions. Default first one select. Third one option, download Spark latest version, display Spark -4.0.0 bin Hadoop inbuilt version 3, file name tgz. Blue color highlighted words, link click. Apache web page complete display, first link click. Spark latest version 4.0.0 bin Hadoop 3 dot tgz file downloading process start. File size 518 MB. Wait and here few minutes. Downloading process completed. New tab click. Search box lo Java downloads, enter key press. Oracle.com Java downloads, second link mouse left click. Oracle official redirectory web page complete display. Java downloads section lo 3 options display. Third one, Java archive, third option click. Java archive section lo mouse scroll down. Right side, Java SE version 17 earlier, link mouse left click. Mouse scroll down. Last two, second one option, Windows x64 installer. File size 153.92 MB. Related link click. Download section lo JDK version 17.0.12. Windows x64 bin.exe setup file. Downloading process start. Wait and here few minutes. Completed. New tab click. Search box lo Python download, enter key press. python.org downloads, download Python, first link mouse left click. Python official redirectory web page complete display. Download the latest version for Windows. Download Python latest version 3.13.5. Button click. Download section of Python exe setup file downloading process start. File size 27.5 MB. After downloading process completed, new tab click. Search box lo Win utilities download, enter key press. Official link first section display. Github.com first link mouse left click. GitHub official web page complete display. Win utilities section lo mouse scroll down. In this video description section lo GitHub link అనేది paste asterisk copy paste in address bar. Hadoop -3.3.1 /bin link click. Win utilities.exe option select. Right side top section లో థర్డ్ ఐకాన్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్. డౌన్లోడ్ సెక్షన్ లో winutilities.exe ఫైల్ డౌన్లోడింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. బ్రౌజర్ మినిమైజ్. డెస్క్టాప్ ఫైల్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఓపెన్. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ డౌన్లోడ్స్ ఫోల్డర్లో సెటప్ ఫైల్స్ డిస్ప్లే. ఫస్ట్ వన్ winutilities ఫైల్ సెలెక్ట్ మౌస్ రైట్ క్లిక్. ఫస్ట్ icon cut click. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel lo folder click. Delete key press. Folder name enter. Hadoop. Enter key press. Folder open. Mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel lo first one folder click. Keyboard lo delete key press. Bin enter. Enter key press. Folder select open. Mouse right click. First icon paste click. Left side downloads folder right click. First one Python exe setup file select. Mouse right click. First option open click. Python latest version 3.13.5 64-bit setup window lo bottom side two options display. First one use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second option add python.exe to path. Left side box tick mark set. First option install now click. Python 3.13.5 window lo first button yes click. Setup progress installing process start. Python libraries and exe setup files installation. Wait and here few seconds. Setup was successful display. Close button click. Second one JDK 17 select. Mouse right click. First option open click. Installation before any installed version remove in your PC and laptop. Java TMSC development kit window lo first button yes click. Java TMSC development kit setup window lo first button next click. Java JDK 17 version installation path and location display. Second button next click. Installation process start. Status lo copying new files. Installation process completed. Close button click. Third one Apache Spark file select. Mouse right click. Extract all options click. Select a destination and extracted files. Default path location display. First button extract click. Extracting process started. Wait and here few seconds. Extracted file display Spark. Select. Mouse right click. First icon cut click. Left side this PC option select. New volume C. First one select open. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Mouse right click. Third icon rename click. Unnecessary text remove. Enter key press. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo VNV type. First option edit the system environment variable click. System properties window lo last button environment variable click. Second option system variable section lo first button new click. New system variable related first option variable name Java underscore home. Second option variable value. Folder reopen. Program files folder select open. Java folder select open. JDK 17 select open. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Second option copy click. folder minimize, box mouse left click, mouse right click, paste, click, OK, click, new button, click, variable name spark underscore home, enter. Second one, variable value, folder reopen, back arrow click, spark folder select, open, address bar mouse left click, mouse right click, second option copy, click, folder minimize, mouse right click, paste, click, OK, click, new button, click, variable name Hadoop underscore home, enter. Variable value, folder reopen, back arrow click, Hadoop folder select, open, address bar mouse left click, mouse right click, second option copy, click, folder minimize, mouse right click, paste, OK, click. System variable section లో path select, second button edit, click, right side top section లో new button, click, type percentage java underscore home, percentage / bin, enter key press, new tab, click, percentage spark underscore home percentage / bin, enter key press, new button, click, percentage Hadoop underscore home percentage / bin, enter key press. First button OK, click, and OK, click. Windows search box లో cmd type, first option command prompt, click, installation software checking process, python space -- version, enter key press, installation python latest version 3.13.5, next java space -- version, enter key press, installed java version 17.0.12 and release date LTS long time supported. Next Apache Spark -shell, enter key press, Java TM platform SC binary, first button yellow, click, Spark logo display, installed version 4.0.0 and using Scala version 2.13.16 and Java JDK version 17.0.12. Spark context web UI available at link, copy this, keyboard shortcut key Ctrl C, browser reopen, address bar paste, keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V, enter key press, Spark jobs and stages for all jobs, environment, click, name and values section, executors, click, loading executor page,